How to change temperature units on Booking.com. Are you looking to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius on Booking.com? Whether you're more comfortable with one unit or the other, adjusting this setting is quick and easy. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to change temperature units in the Booking.com app. First, open the Booking.com application on your mobile device. Once inside, navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on My Account. This will take you to your account settings, where you can customize various preferences. Next, scroll through the list of options until you find Device Preferences. Tap on this section to access a range of settings tailored to your personal user experience. Within this menu, look for the temperature option and tap on it. At this point, you'll see two choices: Fahrenheit or Celsius. Simply select the unit that you prefer, and the app will immediately adjust its temperature display to match your selection. There's no need to save or will automatically apply the change. And that's it. You've successfully updated the temperature units in the Booking.com app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.